Behind two sets of heavy security doors, down hall from the sidewalk, Palmer sings the chorus to one of his old songs. People always talking about you a killer. I don't care what you people say. Just don't mess with me. So it's like a threat. I don't care what you say, you don't mess with me. But now I'm saying, Satan always talking about Christian. I don't care what the devil says. Jesus